Hi there. Let me teach you how to fix the reply option on Instagram missing. So, what we're going to do here is please make sure our app is up to date. We're just going to need to open your App Store, click on search, and then type Instagram. Now, once we have this one, make sure that your Instagram is up to date. And how do we do that? If it says that update, now there's a pending update. Just click on that one. However, if it says open instead of an update, that means that your Instagram is up to date to the latest version of the app. Now, that being said, since I'm updating my own here, I just want to make sure that I have the best features. Now, let's just give it a few seconds to finish the download. And by the way, once done, you will see this open sign. Click on it, and we should be directed to the Instagram app itself. Now, once we're here, I want to check on messages. I want to show you something. So if it's up to date, you can see the latest features like the reply. This should be the reply one, or you just swipe right. That's the first option on how to fix this. Second option is log out on your Instagram account and then log back using your Instagram credentials. Do not use your Facebook credentials because some people, even me, personally, I use my Facebook credentials to log into my Instagram. That may cause this problem. You need to log into your own Instagram credentials. So those are the two steps that I can teach you right now on how to fix this problem, the reply option missing on Instagram. Please hit the like button and subscribe. Thank you.